Hello, I am Tanya Procюk. Now I want to show you the process of modeling the simple USB organizer. I have begun with a small sketch. Then, use Revolve option to create a half-sphere object. Added one more sketch for the cutout and did extrude. It will be used to hold the wire. Use the fillet option to make rounded edges. The top edge is smaller than the bottom to better fixation. The arrow pattern option, you can see it here, helped me make copies and locate them symmetrically. Next, I have combined all the bodies. As you can see, here is only one body. Use fillet again for rounded joints. Added USB wire to demonstrate the use of the organizer. Finally, I have done a small pit for some material to fasten the model on the table. For presenting, here is a high-quality render and video of animation. Yes, this object isn't complicated, but you can print it via 3D printer and use it in real life. Also, I have learned lots of new interesting and useful features of the program in the process of development, so I think it's a good point. Thank you for watching.